tell you about a recent meeting I had with a large car manufacturer as an example of where people think they are versus where they actually are. I spent the first half an hour of the meeting with a very senior officer of the business, telling me about his brand, his quality, how great they are. And I asked him at the end of his presentation, why am I here? If you're doing everything so well and everything's brilliant, what am I doing here? And he stumbled. Reality for me was to make him see what I could see, not what he thought was going on in his business and wanted to believe what was going on in his business. To do that, as I hadn't visited the plant for a number of years, I took him to the window of his own office and I asked him to look to the right. Beautiful new buildings, new paint plant, new body shop, new offices for everybody. And I asked him how much they'd spent. He talked about a couple of £1 billion. I asked him about the product design, the new cars, all the investment in engineering, maybe another couple of £1 billion. And it really couldn't have been better timed that I then asked him to look to the left, where he had a new team coming in to his main assembly line, all in their high-vis jackets, all new from an agency, from their current model. He looked horrified when he looked to the left, and I asked him how much he invested in his people, having spent the billions of pounds he had on his facility, on his product, on his design, on his engineering. The reality of this lovely shiny red apple he created was there in front of him to see. And he now saw the core of his apple coming in, not very well trained, not great knowledge, not understanding what they were going to do and how they were going to do it. I think it was quite a shock. And it was interesting that making him look at that model in that way, he thanked me for my honesty. And I said, my honesty doesn't matter. It's your honesty that matters. And when I leave here, it's you that needs to do something different with the core of your workforce to actually get the profit back and the quality back to your customers. You've invested all that money, don't forget your people. They're a core of that apple, and you've got to really make that investment to really get the results you want, your shareholders want, and importantly what your customers want. Companies are running at such a rate of growth and expansion, they don't have time to stand back and design an alternative, new or innovative manpower and skill solution. So they continue to perpetuate this stagnant blend of permanent and agency model with little or no talent pipeline and no trade skills or craft mentors because they don't have any other option or time. This is further exacerbated by the financial model they operate within, which is driven by man assignments, budgets, engineering required on roll to build the plan with no allowance for skills or development of the workforce. It's a difficult situation that employers can see and want to get out of, but they're stuck in a vice of financial constraints and customer volume and quality demand. But we have a proven solution to manpower and skills that will resolve all of these problems with sustainable results for the employer, the community and the shareholder, ensuring continued investment in the UK, and of course satisfying the very important customers who buy our products and services.